stunning traditional two-story home located in the prime neighborhood of Pine Ridge. Welcome home to your oversized lot, beautifully set in the back of the neighborhood with so much privacy. Home has a traditional floor plan of living room, formal dining room, chandelier does not convey, huge kitchen with new appliances, oversized den. All rooms are a great size and located upstairs. The lot is almost a double-sized lot, so there is tons of room for summer activities. Come see this home now. Roof is approximately 2010, HVAC is 2016, windows are newer.